Tito Muranga lawo benikisembo ebinebindi yabigamba obo ayibembiremo okushaba akanisa ya All Saints Jesus Supply omurembo Fort Portal. Bishop Kisembo nagirangu abo muhendo gw'abantu abarukwatwa akakoko ka sirimu omuli Fort Portal kuzahiguru Fort Portal ehindukire ekyo kushekererwa.
So it's another problem in our city. The shame on us in Fort Portal. One day this can Chegewa, and we'll figure for a certain function. You'll see a tangible. Well, I put a bishop. Sitting about it for Porto, we put a child. So I give her. I want to have a Porto.
Ebhandiko kurugum kachiko akarukuransa sirimu omwihanga echa Uganda AIDS Commission cyurukango Fort Portal niyo ekirizeyo omubaro gw'abantu abarukwatwa akoko ka sirimu okwetoro rihanga ryona abari abucweka 14 ari 10.
But I've not done enough. I want to go from Zion. Because it means they are giving me a vote of no confidence. Because sexual morality is part of moral decadence.
Ekigambo kya sirimu galimanano, of course, by national statistics, nizole Fort Portal tulahiguru muno. Kandi kino kikiri kirungi na mbere tuli, kino nikiswaza, habokuba sirimu nayo, teka tungire mubazi abarugonzebu.
Omugandi twaza kanisa ya St. Paul Nyamitiyobora Church of Uganda aho murembo rwambara oburebizi ninkole bajaguza ekiro cha Petero orukwera okushaboku abashije nuko bakwebembera bashabwa obutahemuka amaka gabo obutosha. Abashija omukushaboku okusima kwabo kwaza abombeka
twitaga tank sina cyaceje burukubona kutaboca tanka yo mutwaro ezitukuteka ngo no kuzistoringa byona bihuyire bibasa kumaraho miliyoni 15 mbwenu abanyambabazi abakutwatiraho mu rumogu mazima mukama nabongera omugisha
nangwa tekicunga baba turundi inamizabo igija kutwera omukombeka gacendeze nanahakosi ezitwakubira ntwinkaringa twabana twesagari n'ubundi bwakubura twaza kutaha ahandi shanga batubuza edomara 12 na nezikiraho mwe ntateka ngu twahotanka zikatwera okucendeza kosi
Abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon na Jonan Tsengwere.